Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing these duck nails right here. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Firstly, I want to say excuse my tripod. I do need to get a better setup, but I am just going to go ahead and swatch these colors that Rosalind Beauty sent me. I will link it down below. I'm not going to swatch them on camera. I just went ahead and swatched them on a piece of paper. These are all the colors. It's about 20 of them. So I am going to be using that pink that I just pointed at. And yeah, I hope you guys like these colors because I have a code for you guys down below in the description. So firstly, I'm just going to go ahead and put some foil glue on. Excuse my voice. I am sick. I have a cold. I haven't had a cold in like 3 years. So this is like beyond me. I feel terrible, but I'm still going to be doing Vlogmas. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel. I wonder if you guys can hear how clogged I am. But I am just doing the foil glue as my peel off method. Again, if you would like your nails to stay, you will not put foil glue, just base coat, and that's it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm gonna glue on my tips with some base coat. Went ahead and finished that part off camera, so now I'm just going to go ahead and shape up my nails with a 80 by 80 grit hand file. I will put that down in the description box below. So I am just going back in with some base coat over all of the nails before adding gel polish or polygel, because if not, they will pop off in the middle of you doing them. Well, for me it does. Like when I start filing and I don't use base coat, they start to pop off. So yeah, we don't want those problems around here. After curing that in the lamp for 60 seconds, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with some Rosalind polygel in the color soft pink. I will link that down below as well, but I'm just going to do all of the nails soft pink. And I am using base coat as my slip solution. And I am doing the 2 bead method. So what that means is I'm going to put 1 bead like I have now, and I'm going to pat it out evenly, and I'm going to try to get close to my cuticle but not quite. I'm going to leave a little bit of open space, and then I'm going to cure that, and then I'm going to add another bead close to my cuticle area to fill in that area so it could look very seamless and perfect. Again, you guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel. Just for anyone that does not know, liking a video is free 99, and it helps us YouTubers get pushed out into the universe. I'm just kidding, you guys. It does help us push our videos out. YouTube pushes the videos out when you like them, so just like them, please. Like any YouTuber that you watch, like their videos so that they can get all the views that they desire. So I did wipe off already off camera. You do want to wipe the sticky tacky layer off of the polygel before filing because it will make your file really dull. just gonna go ahead and wipe off since I'm done filing. So now I'm just going to go ahead and go in with that pink gel polish that I showed you guys I was going to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that. I'm just going to place the color where I want it to be and how I want it to be. I did end up doing a French tip, and I think that duck nails look way better as French tips. So I'm probably going to try again and do like a plain French or probably a color French, because I don't know, like these tips are okay, but I think that maybe they probably needed to be a little longer, or I probably need to do a different color. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with a pink that I got from a Gershon gel polish kit. If I could find it, I will link it, but I don't think that they even have this on Amazon anymore. So I am just gonna use some pearls. I took out a couple of different rhinestones to see what I had to work with, but I end up using pearls, a little bit of the blue rhinestones, and some iridescent rhinestones. So I'm probably not gonna keep that clip in. I'm probably gonna speed right through it. We'll see. So I did add some rhinestones to that French tip too. This concludes this video. I did already put top coat and I added some cuticle oil already. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The duck tips are kind of growing on me. They look cute now that they're all finished. Just let me know what you guys think down below, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And you already know I'm finna give you guys those angles, because it wouldn't be a SHAENAILEDITT video without those angles. Again, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I wanted to let you guys know we are almost to 3,000 subscribers, and once we hit 3,000 I am going to be doing a giveaway, so please go ahead and share this video to a friend and a friend of a friend, and I will see you guys in Vlogmas day 6. Bye guys.